Your OnePlus 15R has a feature most people don't even know exists. And here is my thing that I did with the feature. This is my custom Flux animations. As you can see, there is plenty to choose from. There's animated ones. You can have the clock style different colors. So what's up, guys? Here is my phone, as you can see. And today we will be doing a Flux tutorial. This is going to be a very short video. So what is Flux? Flux is a dynamic lock screen engine. Here is a screen recording of Flux. Here's a screen recording of Flux. As we can see, there's plenty of stuff to choose from, like I said. This person made their own custom theme, so it's very interesting to see what they have going on here. There is depth, motion, AOD, and clock styles. And I'm also sorry if it took me a while for you to show you guys that. Anyway, why is Flux cool? Flux is actually worth using, and here's why. Well, let's do a before comparison. Really quickly, if we go inside of home screen, scroll over, and we just change our wallpaper to a standalone one, like this one, we notice that there's no animation on this one, and it looks pretty bland. Stock Android, right? Click cancel. If we try a different one, like this one, there's motion, there's different designs, and hey, you can even make one yourself if you upload a video. More on that later. So this one that you're seeing as my background right now ends up being my personal one at the end. So how do we access Flux? To access Flux, you are going to want to go inside of settings, go in home screen, lock screen style, and then boom, you're in Flux. Right here, all these themes to choose from, iOS style, etc. There's past collections. There's so many different designs from different people on here as well. So thanks OnePlus for all of the cool designs. Honestly, we might even not need to go wallpaper searching anymore because of how good the pre-built wallpapers are. So good contrast obviously equals a better Flux. As we can see here in this one has good contrast. That's a good Flux. This one might need a bit better contrast around the person, so it can vary. You can also choose liquid particles, waves, depth, minimal, etc. If you go inside here and go in style, that's where you can change all of these settings right here. How cool is that? And clock style also matters more than you think. Here's the clock style on this one. We can put it smaller or enlarge it more. Enlarging it more can make it less readable. Making it smaller can make it more readable. And there's also color adaptation as well. If you enable that, I forget how to enable that, to be honest with you, but yeah, that's Flux. So you can also match your AOD with your Flux screen, always on display. So you can click here. You can say, oh, turn on always only display, full screen. I can have custom Bitmoji everything like that if you have Bitmoji installed, which I currently do not. You can do custom patterns like this one or this one. You can do text and image, emoji, which is OnePlus's emoji type thing. Carbon footprint, homeland, insight, digital clock, analog clock, and even a custom image like this. You can even adjust blur, depth, and much, much more. Me personally, I like having always on display off because I'm not a big fan of having to deal with battery drain issues. So that's going to be off for me. I'm not using that. Anyways, if you want your Flux setup to look like something from a commercial, well, let's show you how to do that. We're gonna do one right now, okay? We're gonna do one. We're gonna edit, and we're gonna choose like let's say this one. We're gonna edit this one, and we're gonna make the lighting really bad, okay? So this lighting is very bad, right? The flux, you can't even see the flux anymore. You're gonna want the lighting down to the second one if you want a little bit of a blur, to the first one if you don't want any blur at all. There's not a good amount of balance though in the thing. But let's do a quick montage of Flux themes really quickly.